Hey guys, it's Toys and Play. Today we're going to be showing you Chelsea's playground. Obviously, we have Chelsea here with us today, who will be helping us with this tour. So let's begin.
Hey guys, it's Chelsea and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my playground. So let's just start over here. Over here I've got a pink stand. This basically just stands up the swings. And on top of it there's a cute little cloud. And then if you move here we've got two swings. This swing is for babies, but I just keep my teddy bear in it. And then over here there's a swing for bigger kids, just like me. And then I can just swing with my teddy bear and it's just so much fun. And then there's a little twist to this part. If I just quickly take the swings off, so I guess for that little issue, but as I was saying, there's a little twist to this. This is a climbing frame where I could just swing on the bottom or I can just go to the top. And then over here I've got some teal steps where I go up, and before we get onto the platform there's some fences, and on the fence there are some flags that spell out my name, Chelsea. And then over here when we get onto the platform, I've got a purple flag and my pink slide. And I'll just slide down. And as you can see on the slide there are some cute cherries, flowers and hearts, and they're really nice.
So guys, now I'm just going to be showing you the overview and the back and the front of the playground. So yeah. So as you can see, there are a lot of details to the playground and it just looks really nice. This is the side. And this is the back of the playground.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.
And yeah, so please like, comment and subscribe and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.